Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up repair report for Bob in Maryland on this RCI-2995DX. Bob, we got you ready to go, bud. Upgraded your power supply and electrolytics. Also went through, did our tuning alignment. We also added a on-off switch on the back for the amplifier, and did the blue LEDs in the meter for you, and we fixed the calibrate knob as well. So let's get right on to it. You've seen the before video. The most you could get was 15 bird and about 130 peak. So let's start with RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. It's 5 watts of carrier. And we set it up like that so if you decide to run an amplifier with, you got full adjustability. You won't want to run it that low with just the radio, because then you'll be pretty choppy, okay? Let's go over a 100-watt slug. And I'm going to roll it up. About 40 watts is a good place to run it. About 40 watts is a real good place to run it, Bob, on the carrier. Now, it will turn up more, but only because we've got it set up to where you can run just the radio without the amp section. So let me just show you from a roll of carrier down here. I'll show you from about a 15-watt carrier what your average power swing was. Now, remember before, he wouldn't swing any higher than 15. Get up there about 75 or 80 bird average. Very nice. Peak power, we're going out of the 5/8 position, read like a 500-watt scale. And it's just short of 200 watts there, Bob. So, on average power, you've increased about 500%. Hey, Bob, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.